If you've ever needed to capture an entire web page without stitching together multiple images, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture a full page screenshot in Firefox quickly and easily, using a built-in shortcut that saves you time and keeps everything in one clean image. This is perfect for saving articles, web designs, receipts, long guides, or any page that extends below the fold. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open Firefox and go to the web page you want to capture. Make sure the page is fully loaded because Firefox will capture everything that's visible on the page and everything further down the page as well. Once you're ready, use the keyboard shortcut to open the screenshot tool. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and S at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and S. As soon as you press that shortcut, Firefox will open its built-in screenshot options. Now look for the option that says Save Full Page. This is the key setting you want because it tells Firefox to capture the entire web page from top to bottom, not just the part that's currently visible on your screen. Click Save Full Page, and Firefox will automatically generate the full page screenshot for you. After that, you can download or copy the image depending on your needs. In most cases, Firefox will save the screenshot directly to your device, so you can find it in your downloads or chosen save location right away. If you want to make sure the screenshot captured everything, open the file and check the full length of the page. You'll usually see the header, the content in the middle, and the footer all included in one image, and that's it. You've now learned how to capture a full page screenshot in Firefox using just a simple keyboard shortcut. It's fast, built-in, and very useful whenever you need a complete web page screenshot without extra software. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.